Nah, bro, that ain't the one right now. We need like a motivational chant.
Time for the second half.
5 minutes of extra time.
4 more minutes.
Come on, Portugal, push.
4 more minutes.
Otavio has it. Cross it. Throw in from Portugal. Throw in from Portugal. Bruno has it. Bruno crosses it. Rafael has it. Throw in Portugal. What? It's a throw in from Congo? Dude. Oh my God, this isn't good. Oh, that's a yellow. That might be a red. Yellow from Portugal defender. Oh no. Oh no. Portugal has 6 attempts at goal and Congo has 8 attempts on goal. Congo has 2 attempts on target. Portugal has 1 attempt on target. Thomas Araujo, yellow card. Three more minutes. 3 more minutes. 2 more minutes until full time. This might be Portugal last attacking. Portugal currently is counter-attacking from Congo. This may be their last possession.